Wow, so I got home, I went and got some hay. Of course, it ain't rained in freaking 6 weeks in freaking Texas, and then one day I go get hay, a freaking thunderstorm comes in. But I come back, and I don't know what kind of wind we got, but it trashed my flagpole. We must have had a serious wind shear of some sort, because it trashed this pole, and this pole has been up for a while on some heavy duty winds. And it snapped it off like nothing. Shit. I didn't have one pear on the ground. It blew every damn pear off this tree. There wasn't one pear on the ground when I left. When one falls, I throw it to the horses. I come back, this is what my pear tree looks like. There wasn't one apple on the ground. I had a whole bunch of peaches out here. I don't know where the hell they went. They must have all disappeared. I got peach seeds everywhere. Look at all these peach seeds. I don't know if you guys have seen all those brown things. Those are all seeds. Wow. Doesn't look like I lost any shingles. I didn't lose my roof. I think I did lose a pretty big tree branch here though. What happened, boys? Dad was gone, the wind came in. What the hell? So this tree branch was not down. It broke that sucker off. Wow. At least it didn't fall on the fence, take the fence out. Holy cow, that's a pretty big branch. Damn. So it broke that branch there, but where's this one that broke off? Holy shit, that thing's heavy as shit. Damn it. Damn, look at the size of that tree that broke off. That's a big tree branch, people. Holy smokes. I don't even know where it broke off at. Wow. I'm surprised that didn't take my fence out. Wonder where the horses were hiding when this big ass thing came in. Oh, there's where it broke off. Holy smokes. Wow. We must have got a really big just sheer wind that came through here. Didn't really look like it do any other damage. Besides this tree and my flagpole. Took it pretty bad. I mean, we need the rain. At least my little figs stayed on there. Moki was crying in the garage when I got here. What happened, boys? Was there a big storm when Dad ran away? Oh my goodness, it was really a big storm. I know, it was really scary. Well, I know, it was really scary, huh? I know. It's all right. Dad will give you guys a snack. So it didn't blow over this bird bath because it's just concrete that would come off. And that hasn't been blown over yet. That's pretty heavy. By the way the flag is laying and the way that branch blew, I'm pretty sure the shear was coming this way. So let me check my air vents on the roof. Looks like everything's... I don't see any missing shingles or anything. No screens missing. Wow. Must have been a pretty good little blow job out here. It freaking knocked down my pole and my tree.